Good morning, everyone. I'm here today to talk about something near and dear to my heart. Teachers, not just a good teachers, but a great teachers, the one who leave an indelible mark on our lives, who spark our curiosity, and who inspire us to reach for the stars. We all have that one teacher who stand out, the one who saw something in us, even we couldn't see it in ourselves, the one who challenged us, nurtured our passion, and helped us to discover our true potential. But what makes the teacher so extraordinary? It's not just about the knowledge. It's not just about the knowledge, though that is certain important. It's about the passion that they bring to the classroom, the way their eyes light up when they talk about their subjects, the continuous enthusiasm that makes even the most mundane topic come alive. It's about a connection. It's about the connection, the ability to build genuine relationship with their students, to understand the individual needs and challenges. Create a safety and supportive learning environment where everyone feels valued and respected. And finally, it's just about inspiration, the power to ignite a spark of our curiosity, to challenge our symptoms, and push to beyond our comfort zones. A great, a great teachers don't just teach fact, they inspire us to think critically, to question the world around us, and to strive for something bigger than ourselves. So the next time you encounter a truly great teachers, take a moment to appreciate the impact that they have their students on our community and the world. They are the unsung heroes who shape our futures, one student at a time. Thank you.